For today's nail art, we are doing some layered stamping. The polish on my nails is Making Waves from Morgan Taylor, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For the backgrounds, I'm going to be stamping from Dixie Plate Marbled 01, and the color I'm using is Angel from Mundo. Next, I'm going to stamp some black lines using Nicole Diary Plate 76. Now we'll add a flower using Clear Jelly Stamping Plate 05. For the first layer, I'll be stamping with Caribe from Mundo. For the next layer, we'll be outlining the flower with white. For the final layer, we'll add a black center. Now remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.